In this video, just teach you how to download my songs on Mudondo. Just search art on Google. Here you go. It's on Mwinga Art. It's on Mwinga Art. You see? Yeah, here we go. Click the link, open it. Here we go. It's very easy. Yeah, you can play or download the song you want. Yeah, you can download your favorite song. This is where you can find my songs. Just search it on Art on Google.